Hello guys, welcome back to another video with boy trader, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys the most effective way to trade in the step index market, the right strategy and the right market approach to trading the step index market. So let's move down to the chart. I want to clearly move this I want to clearly move my screen so for you guys to answer a question basically. So as I'm moving right now, what's the most common things you guys are seeing? Any answer? So the answer is basically what we can see that the market has been forming was double bottoms and double what tops. So this actually a common formation we have been seeing on the charts at this point. So firstly, we identify what our overall market what direction. We identify our overall market direction, and as you can see at this point, market has been moving what to the upside, creating what higher highs and higher lows. The overall market direction has been what to the upside. So you can see that we have the market creating what this double bottom formation. So after this double bottom formation, what follows up, we have a breakout that follows up. You can see the double bottom formation, we have what a breakout that follows up. So basically the same thing here. Then we can see at this point we have markets creating what this channel, this corrective channel, you know. So you can see the market was breaking above this what channel, a kind of a flag pattern formation. So because you have seen the overall market direction, so everything basically at this point, our expectations basically at this point will be what will be a bullish move. So at this point, that's why I see the market was creating a double bottom formation here. You can see the market creating a double bottom formation here. So afterwards was what a nice move to the upside, and you can see you should as well identify the neckline of these formations because they'll be helpful to us. Like it will be our point of entry or our points you'll be looking at for the market to break above to give us a nice entry on the trade. So you can as well see at this point we have the market creating this double bottom formation. So afterwards, let's identify this pattern formation. So you can see the low here and another low that followed the top. So you can see the market was giving us this pattern formation and giving us what a move to the upside. So let's identify the neckline as well. So our entry on these trades will be what the market to give us a breakout of this level. So we'll be entering on the breakout to catch the possible buys because we have already seen the overall market direction. So everything is moving what to the upside. Channels, patterns, reversal patterns are very helpful whenever we're trading the step index market. So let's identify this trend as well. So we can see that the trend is moving what to the downside. So after this trend formation, what next? Like what's the next formation that we see? You can see that the market has been what creating double tops and what double the market has been creating double tops because of the market's moving to the downside. So when the market is creating these double tops, we have to identify the pattern and spot the neckline of the pattern. You can see the neckline at this point. Then we're selling on the breakout of the neckline. So at this point, we also got a kind of a head and shoulders pattern at this zone. You can see the market is giving us the neckline at this point. Basically, you can see the market is giving us this the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So afterwards, we got a nice breakout of this level. So we now see the market giving us this a channel formation. Remember, we have already seen the overall market direction, which is a downtrend. So our expectations in the market would be a sell-off. So we have been seeing the market giving us this channel. So after this channel, what followed up was a push to the downside. So the same thing happened at this point. Apparently, you can see the market giving us this channel. This is like a flag pattern, you know, or it's like an ascending channel. Basically, you can call it an ascending channel, a flag pattern. You know, you can see how the market gave us this channel formation to test this trend line. So afterwards, you got the market dropping off. So I've come to understand over the times I've been trading the step index market that this market obeys these patterns and all of that, these channels, patterns. So the only thing you have to do mainly is to spot the market direction. Then we can be able to take advantage of those moves. So let's spot this market direction as well. You can see the market is pushing to the upside. The real market direction is an uptrend. So on how the market is giving us this uptrend move, what follows up, you have to look for nice patterns in this particular uptrend move to give us an entry. So we can see at this point overall market direction is to the upside. So you can see the market is giving us this what a low here, give us another low here. So this is actually what a double bottom formation that we got at this point. So let's identify it as well. So on how we got this double bottom formation, we will also identify what our neckline and watch the market break above that neckline. So you can see the market is giving us this double bottom formation. You can see, let's spot the lows of this pattern, because you can see the low here and that low here basically. So how the market gave us this low, we can see the market was breaking above this level to give us a nice what buy trade, because we have already seen the overall market direction is what an uptrend. So let's move as well to see, so identify more patterns and all of that. So okay, and we have another big pattern formations, another big pattern formation. But before this pattern formation, we can see the market was consolidating at this point for a very long time, for weeks, sorry, for days basically. So we can see the market is creating what equal highs and what equal lows. This is actually a nice pattern. So the next thing we're going to do is just what wait for what a breakout. So how the market is giving us this what this high, this low, this high, this low, this high. Like the market is not giving us a definite direction of the market. It's just giving us a ranging market basically. You can see the market creating what equal highs and equal lows. So afterwards, we got the market was giving us this what head and shoulders pattern formation, which is a nice reversal pattern inside this consolidating market. So you can see the left shoulder here, the head here, and basically what the right shoulder here. So afterwards, we can see the market was breaking below this level, because we have already seen the market consolidating. That's our first conference, the consolidation. So after a consolidation, we expect what a breakout. So on how the market was consolidating, at the end of the consolidation, we got what a reversal pattern, a head and shoulders pattern, which is a nice reversal pattern. So on how we got this head and shoulders pattern, afterwards was what a nice breakout, and you can see how massive the market moved afterwards. So let's move as well to see if we can identify more patterns. So we can clearly see that this is actually the right approach to trading this market. So let's spot this our particular trend as well. You can see the market is pushing what to the downside. So how the market is pushing to the downside, we can see the market is creating what a double top at this point. You can see the high here and that high here, and afterwards we got what a breakout. So let's spot it as well. You can see the high at this point, then another high that followed it up at this point. So afterwards, you can spot the what you spot the neckline of this particular formation. So you can see the market creating this double top formation for us. Then afterwards, we got what a sell off, because we have already identified the overall market direction is that. So because we have already identified the overall market direction, which is what a downtrend. So at this point, you got a kind of a consolidating market at this point. So you got a consolidating market at this point, because on how we have seen the overall market direction, our expectations will not actually be what a buy. Like, well, let's spot this consolidating market first. Market creating what equal highs and equal lows. So this is actually a secret to trading this particular market. Market creating this equal highs and equal lows at this point. Then at the end, we got what a breakout of this level, because we've already seen the market moving in a downtrend. We can't just expecting the market to give us a push to the upside, because the overall market direction is already what to the downside. So what we have to do next is that we have to zoom in. If you zoom in, you can see that there's actually a formation that the market was forming here, or the market formed here, but it's not really a perfect formation. But this is actually what it was, a head and shoulders pattern that we saw here. This is the left shoulder, the head here, and the right shoulder at this point. So on how the market formed this formation, the market give us what a sell-off from this point. So basically, I can say that this is actually the right market for me approach on the step index. So we have at this point that the market is what the market has broken out of this overall market uptrend. So market is actually what's creating lower highs and lower lows. So let's identify this particular pattern formation as well, this particular market direction as well. So you can see the market gave us a head and shoulders pattern. You can see the left shoulder here. You can see the left shoulder here, the head here, and the right shoulder here. So afterwards, we got what you can see the market was giving us a breakout of this pattern formation with the neckline intact. You can see the neckline here. Then you can see the market was giving us a breakout of this formation. Basically, the market shifted from creating highs, because we got the high here, we got another high here, and instead of the market to give us a new high, the market gave us a low, like created a low here and gave us a lower low. you know. So the market have actually changed its market structure from an uptrend to a downtrend. So the market structure have changed. So we're looking out for what sell opportunities at this point. So you can see the market giving us this what reversal pattern formation. So afterwards we got what a breakout of this reversal pattern. You can see how the market sold off. So this is actually a retest that we're getting at this point. But why is the market not selling off at this particular retest? Because you can see that there's an order block at this point at which the market is coming to what to retest. This other block will as well give us what a test of this what trend to give us what a first and a second touch of this our trend line. Like give us a second touch of our trend line, because this is actually a trend resistance. So this is a trend resistance and this is a trend support. So we're expecting market to give us a nice move to contest this our trend line and as well test this our bearish order block level. So we're expecting the market to give us what a push to this point, then a sell off from this zone. So this is actually a nice approach to the step index market. So we'll be looking for sell opportunities. We'll be looking closely and watching price action at this point to look out for a nice patterns or a nice reversal formation at this point to do what to short this market, having our stop loss above this level, then be catching a nice sell off to this point. So basically I think I've been able to explain enough on how to approach the step index market. So that's it, guys. So to my new viewers, you guys should do it to subscribe, and to my return viewers, shout out to you guys. You guys are the OGs. Let's keep doing what we do, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.